Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers, easy method. Press gently on the center of each patty to prevent doming and ensure even cooking. Do not overwork the meat or pack it tight. Let patties rest at room temperature for 10 minutes before hitting a hot skillet or grill to get a perfect sear and juicy interior every time, and use a thermometer to confirm doneness for safety and consistency. Heat your pan or grill until very hot before adding patties to develop a deep crust and flavor. Use a cast iron pan if available for even heat. Flip only once when juices pool on the top, and baste with butter or oil in the last minute for richness. Rest cooked patties for a few minutes on a rack while toasting buns and assembling toppings so juices redistribute and the burger stays moist. Start with a toasted bottom bun. Spread sauce and add lettuce to create a moisture barrier. Then place the patty and add cheese to melt slightly into the meat. Top with onions, pickles, tomatoes, or any preferred toppings, and finish with sauce on the top bun to tie flavors together. Press gently to compact without squeezing juices out, then slice only if you need shared portions, and serve immediately for best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.